Hi, I'm Kawal. Today we are going to understand the concept of prime factors. So let's begin. The process of factorizing a number into its prime factors is known as prime factorization. What it means? It means the process or procedure through which we get prime factors of any number, then this is called prime factorization. For this purpose, we have two methods. Number one, division method, and number two, factor tree method. So we will discuss in detail. Number one, division method. Question here, find factors of 36. Before starting this procedure, you must know two things clearly. Is this even or odd? If it is even, it must be divisible by 2. Or if it is odd, it must be divisible by 3. And if it is not divisible by 2 or 3, then we move to 5. Always remember that. Okay. Now we start 36. As you can see, it's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Okay, it's 18. It is we have 8 in the end, so it's, again we will divide by 2 because it's an even number. 2 nines are 18. As you know, now it's 9. 9 is an odd number. It's not divisible by 2. So we move to 3. 3 threes are 9. Again, it's an odd number. 3 ones are 3. You got it? Factors are very much important and you must learn it. We always have to start from 2, then 3, then 5. Okay? I repeat, 2 ones are 2, 2 are 16, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So, statistics has prime numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are all prime factors of 36. I hope it's clear. Now we move to next method by factor tree method. Again same question. Find factors of 36. Let's begin. 36. Again, as you know it's a composite number, we have to start from 2 again. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So 2 and 18 are factors of 36. Clear? As you know, 2 is a prime number. This cannot be solved. But here 18 is a composite number. You have to solve it. So that purpose, this 2 will remain same in the next line. Okay. You will solve this 18. As you know, again 2 nines are 18. Clear? 9 is again again 9 is a composite number. So we solve it again. So this previous 2 will remain same. This new 2 will remain same. We will solve 9. 9 is the odd number. This is solvable by 3. So 3 is a 9. Now you see there is no any other number to solve it, as you can see. So 2, 2, 3, 3 are all prime factors of 36. You got it? I repeat again. 36, 2, 18s are 36. This 2 is a prime number. This will never be solved again. But 18 is a composite number, so we will solve it again. So this 2 will remain same in the next line. We will solve this 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay? Again, this 2 and this 2 will remain same. We will solve this 9 again. 3 is a 9. Why? Because it's an odd number. 3 is a 9 because 9 is a composite number. I hope it's clear. So what we get in the end? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are all known as prime factors. Please check it out. Both have same answers. Now I hope it's clear for all of you what are prime factors and how we get it by division method and by factor tree method. If you have any question regarding these methods, you can definitely ask for me. Okay? Like and comment for your further session.